Hey friends, if you encounter the deferred procedure calls and interrupt service routines, high CPU usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is obviously to let the task run and do its job. Unless you let it do it, it will keep causing high CPU usage. The next solution is to reinstall the network drivers. And how would you do that? So here's what you have to do. You have to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Next solution is to update the drivers using the Intel driver and support assistant, which is a very good option. I'll tell you why. So just open the browser and search for Intel driver and support assistant. Now I don't have an Intel computer, otherwise I would have shown it till completion. Click on this and then select download. Now you don't really need to download it, but what do we say, it will work online, but still you can download it and just run it. It will check for all the drivers on the system itself. Okay, let me show you. Install, accept, and then click on yes for the admin prompt. It will install on your system and it won't work as an app on your computer. It will start checking for drivers online itself. Okay, so mine is an AMD computer again, but I'm letting it install. Till then, let us check the other solution. Update the BIOS. How? So let's suppose you have an Asus computer. I have an Asus computer. I will search for Asus drivers. If you had an HP computer, you could search for HP drivers. If you had a Dell computer, you could search for Dell drivers. Anyway, I have an Asus computer, so I'll search for Asus drivers and then I'll go to the Asus download center and search for this FA507RE. Okay, and then click on this option. Click on drivers and tools. Okay, and then when you click on drivers and tools, it will open the page. Meanwhile, returning to the Intel driver and support assistant, click on launch and then choose a browser. I'll choose Microsoft Edge, and then it says no driver or supported updates are available for your system because I'm using an AMD system. But in case you have an Intel computer, it will automatically check for all the drivers and update them. Okay, now coming back to the BIOS page, go to the BIOS and firmware page on the Asus website. If you have an Asus computer, for Dell, HP, Lenovo, it's similar. Okay, now click on download corresponding to the latest BIOS and then click on open. The next solution will be to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.